We're the Essary family, and we're exploring America, one destination at a time.
At least it wasn't here.
So it is day 2 of our full-time travel. We're out here on this beautiful lake. We took a nice little hike up here from our park, which we will give you guys a tour of very soon of where we're staying. Everything is kind of surreal to me right now. We've just had a wonderful 2 days that we've been here. It's really just been kind of magical, everything that we've been able to do. It's been such a good experience. We sat down in a restaurant yesterday with all 5 of us for the first time in months. I don't know how long that's been, probably since June, I think was the last time that we all sat down. Little man came with us this morning on our little hike. We've already dropped a sippy cup in the water and have tried jumping into it. So it's been an eventful morning, but it's been really nice. Jeremy is about to load up and go on a haul for a few days, and I'll be around here just getting work done until he gets back, so that when he gets home we can get out and explore again. It's been really nice, you guys. So yesterday evening we spent time in the pool because it is still open even though it's October, and
That water was cold. It was cold.
But the hot tub was open.
Nice. Very nice.
And it was really nice. So we kept going back and forth between the two until we found a good temperature.
Also, when I went walking today, there were some guys by the pool that I think were cleaning it up. They had a machine there, and I think they were hooked up to the pool. So it's probably cleaner now.
Yeah, it was not super clean yesterday. They were cleaning it when we walked by today too. And then this morning we got up and went for a lovely walk. I got a lot of work done today, so I'm excited about that. And we've spent the evening just sitting outside. Jeremy made some dinner on the Blackstone, and we're just chilling. It's really nice out here right now. Maybe go for another walk here in a little bit as it's cooling down this evening. Get back in time so Jeremy can watch the football game. And then call it a day. It's been really nice mixing like work with play for the last couple of days.
I know.
It's been nice. It's been nice to be able to do that.
Not having to be on a schedule. I guess that's the nicest part. Not having to get up, get into work, take my lunch, get back home, and then Missy's trying to do everything and prepare everything and do all the homework. So it's really nice being able to help out when I can.
Yeah, Jeremy took care of Jasper for the most part today while I was getting content done, so it was nice. He's gonna head out here maybe in a day or two and do a haul. Yeah, so that's where we are. It's where we're at. It's really nice not having it's really nice just kind of making our own schedule. I figure we'll get more routine and rhythm down as we do it more. Maybe by the end of the year we'll have a really good rhythm down. Right now we're just kind of figuring it all out. But it's been really nice. Everything kind of feels surreal to me. So I was going to ask you, for the last couple of days people ask us like, what do you do? How are you able to do this? And then when we start explaining it to them, I kind of feel like I have that imposter syndrome again. Like, as I'm explaining it to people and I'm like, is this really our life now? Like, we're really doing it? Like, it's actually happening?
Well, and the people that we explain that to is the kind of the older generation, the retirees. I mean, so they're retired. This is what they have planned, and they've worked their 401ks or whatever to make this happen. So whenever they see younger couples, I mean, I don't want to say it's 2 options, but you have those content creators like us, or you have those people that transport or that have a mobile job. So
we're kind of a mixture of all the above.
yes.
Because we do the content, but then you also have another job that you do. I'm starting to publish books. Like, we have multiple ways that we're getting income and providing for our family.
And I think if you don't have enough passive income, you know, your family isn't well off or something like that, then you have to come up with as many different ways as possible.
Gotta get really creative.
Yes.
But then, even though we're doing all of that, we still are able to have like completely free times, even like a whole week of just exploring and being together as a family. And it's just kind of surreal to me.
Well, absolutely. And one thing that we're going to do here in the near future is we're going to talk about time. We're going to talk about the 8 to 5, actually having family time, and then break it down to what full-time traveling looks like for us.
Yeah,
as far as our family time.
Yeah. And then the next couple of days is actually about to be work time. Like, we're about to hit it pretty hard in the income part of how we're able to do this. And then for the next few days after that, we'll have lots and lots of family time.
Yeah. So.
Just feels really, I don't know, it still feels kind of surreal to me. I thought that once we were a few days in and we've been doing this for a little bit, that it would finally hit me that we're actually doing this. But I still kind of feel like I'm on vacation. It still feels a little bit like a vacation, because really that's the only time when we go on vacation trips that we have time like this together. So it does feel weird. Maybe when you leave later today and I am spending the next few days like working on all of our stuff and on my books, maybe it won't feel quite like a vacation, but an actual lifestyle.
Yeah. We'll see. I mean, I wouldn't say surreal. I mean, this is pretty nice. Of course, whenever you always jump into something right at the very beginning, you know, usually works out. It's usually really nice. You know, you don't have any worries or concerns yet. So we'll let you know, especially whenever we get ready to move to the next one. That's going to be the big one. That's going to be the big telltale sign of did we make the right choice or not.
Yeah. The next one's going to be interesting. We definitely can't wait to share it. First, we've got to share where we're at now, which we will be giving you guys a full tour. It's a beautiful, lovely park. We've had a great experience so far.